Alright, well I got the valve body. My wife went to like dollar store, got like aluminum pan just to put it in. That way, hopefully it's not getting no dust, anything in it, you know, dirt, anything like that. Go ahead, I pop these little plastic caps off and take these valve solenoids out, and I'm gonna keep them in the same order because you got to put them back. These matter which location they are in, so I'm gonna work on that. And for everything looking, it looks decent. The only thing is that, see if I can get it on here. It looks like right there there's some crud on this side a little bit, so something definitely might have clogged up something in there. So it's gonna we're gonna just send it, get some gloves real quick. Of course. It looks like some kind of clutch material or something. I got the right size. T30. See, we got T35. I'll check each one of these solenoids. This may not be the best camera angle, but for now, just have to work. And I've never worked on a transmission before, so this is all new to me. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos on this particular transmission for Mercedes-Benz. This is the 722.6 transmission. It's common in a lot of Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to take these out in order and put them back. I'm just going to use my hands, so hopefully I don't get no lint in there. Get them out of the way, because I'm going to change this whole conductor plate. It's like the brain of the actual transmission. And these solenoids should just pop out, if I remember correctly. I'm trying to keep as much of this lint and stuff off of me. So I think these just pull out. Oh yeah, pretty simple stuff. So that's the solenoid right there. And I'm gonna check the ohm reading of it, and there's like a little O-ring on there. Probably end up replacing that, but there's the part number for the first one. I don't know, you can probably read it or not, but it's the one on the furthest back, and there's only one way they go in, so they seem pretty simple. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them line them up in here, kind of back in the same way, because this is how it would go. So I keep track of how they go back in there. It looks like these are different sizes too, so these little brackets and stuff. So first, I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and pull these out, line them up where they go, and then I got a box that says front and back. So this would be the front here, this would be the back, and I'm just gonna line them up. Yes. Yeah.
My friend take my shoe off.
Yeah. Well, you gonna have to go inside in a minute anyway, so hurry up. You only got a couple minutes. Yeah, why is this so hard? These are easier. Come on. So I'm gonna grab something to pull it off with. A little easier that way. It's crazy, man. I would never thought I'd be fooling with a transmission. There you go. But these Mercedes, I mean, they seem pretty simple, so why not? Yeah. Alright, well, I got all those, and I got it pretty much laid out in here in the order. I don't want to move it right now, but you know how the solenoids and the plastic caps go, so as long as nobody touches this, I should be in fine shape. They put it back like they came out, so I'm going to put these up for now. Alright, so now we got the conductor plate, and I think that just kind of gently comes off, yeah, and just clips on there. And then I was watching a video where you can actually, I think it's one of these holes over here, you can actually drill out. I don't know which one, I'll look it up. You have to take this whole top part of the valve body out, but you drill one of these holes over here to 4 millimeter, and then you get a harder shift, I think from second to third or third to fourth. So I may do some research since I'm already in this point of what can I do to make the transmission work better. And go from there. See how's it? This clips on or whatever. You just clip it on somehow. I don't know. How does it come out? You have to put it on this edge or something.
You have to stay like this. You have to stay like this because this is how dinosaurs are. They don't walk.
It's getting late. It's time for Aiden. He's gonna have to go inside. Okay? You hear me, Aiden? Okay, just sit somewhere. How does this go on there? Is this up like this or what the hell? What is this? It's just gonna sit on the side. God dang. How does this come out here? I don't want to break it. But just flip up. Oh, okay. It just pulls up. Okay, and that's that part. So that's done. That's the conductor plate. I know it's probably getting kind of dim and dark in here, but they say this is a float transmission fluid. I mean, thing doesn't look terribly bad, but there's definitely some gunk up in here. Toss this. So, there's definitely some gunk right around here. Some gunk up in there. So, I don't know if that's the issue. I may try to get like a lint filter or something. I mean, I may just end up taking this whole thing, this top off, cleaning it, so I could drill this hole, see what else I could do. But something definitely got worn, that's for sure. It may just be that it's 100,000 miles on it. I mean,